Have you been willing to, start up a business? As in, that is what you love. You want to start a business, but you know how everything can be, and there's no cash. You don't have money at hand to start, and you're just, like, I want to start. Then make sure you watch this video to the end, because it's after watching this video you will be able to start one or two businesses without capital. You heard me right. You'll be able to start. I'm not talking about capital right now. You'll be able to start anyone, and when you start it up, you'll be able to start making cashing out. All right, so don't skip any. Continue to watch till the end. Alright guys, you're welcome to John's CEO channel. Here we talk about finance, being your own boss, importation, and everything illegitimate for you to make your own cool cash. So if you've not subscribed, go ahead and do the needful, subscribe and get more values. Alright, now let's kickstart to our video. The first thing, I'm going to mention 8 businesses. So the first business I'll mention is digital products. Don't go anywhere, because other ones will blow your mind. When we talk about digital products, people like, what? Digital product is too difficult. It's too... No. When we talk about digital products, we have ebooks, we have courses, and so on and so forth. So even if you the ebook is very, very simple to create and make your own cool cash. For example, just imagine you know how to make hair. Do you know you can turn it into an ebook and make money with it? For example, you know how to make wig. You can turn it into an ebook and cash out with it. For example, you know how to prepare some beautiful, amazing dishes. You can turn it into an ebook. Anything you have passion for, you can turn into an ebook and cash out with it. Somebody might say, how do I create this ebook? I'll be linking the video where I also taught how to create ebook, even if you don't want to, start typing. This website will show you how to create ebook in seconds. Your own is to just, put in your what you need, just, edit, and you're good to go. And also in that web, in my video there, I also mentioned where to sell these ebooks. All right, so you don't have any fear about that. So the next on my list also is start a content creation. Yes, you heard me right. There is money on content. For example, as you're looking at me now, you can start up your YouTube channel. It is 100% free. You don't need anything. You don't need any money. You don't need, okay, you're talking about, okay, I don't have a tripod stand. You can still start it up. You don't have a tripod stand, you can still start up a YouTube channel. You just need to use your window, look for a paper, you look for books, pile them up, and you've started. Okay, you say, no, I don't have ring lights. You can use natural lights. So there is no excuse. As long as you have your smartphone and you have your data connection, you are good to go. Start up a YouTube channel. You can even start up a Facebook page. If you don't know how to create a Facebook page, I also have a video where I also explain how to create a Facebook page. Facebook is paying right now. Create anyone and you start cashing out, guys. So these are super amazing. Number 3 on my list is personal shoppers. Do you know so many people are so busy that they don't even have time to do some certain things? Yes, I know of a woman that she don't even have time to go to the market. All she has to do is to call someone, look at, I want to get this, that, and they give her the bill and they go get it. Bring it to her, she pays. So many people are there looking for personal shoppers. All right, people that can go to the market, go to the clothes store, go to the shoes. So just you don't need any money to start up this. All right, so it's just zero capital. All right, so number 4 on my list is drop shipping. This is not a new way to make money, but I'm going to be explaining it. I'm sure some of you are just hearing it for the first time, or you've heard it before and you've overlooked it thinking it's nothing. drop shipping is very interesting. Do you know that drop shipping is just zero capital? All you just need to do is to get a supplier, get a good pictures, get a good videos, and find customers. I'll be explaining how to get all these things. How do you get a good supplier? For example, we have Jumia. For example, we have Gigi. We even have Facebook. How do you do that? You chat them up. Maybe you just look at the niche you love. Maybe, for example, you love these bags, you love skincare products, you love bags, or you love shoes. You just chat, go to Facebook. Alright, I've also made a video how to find Facebook Marketplace, alright, how to sell on Facebook without running an ad. So I'm going to also be linking the video here, so do well to watch it. So number one, how do you get a supplier? You can go to Gigi. If you don't have Gigi, go to App Store, Play Store. You will see Gigi, Gigi, save it, download, install it on your phone, smartphone. You install Jumia or you install Facebook. Go to Facebook Marketplace, go to Gigi. One beautiful thing I love about Gigi and Facebook Marketplace is that they even show you those in your location, so you don't even need to say way below, it is expensive. You will just buy from the person from your own location. You just go to Gigi, go to Facebook, just type okay shoes, or you just type okay clothes or skincare. People selling it will all pop out. What next do? You just chat up anyone. You can chat up 2 or 3 and say, hello, please, I want to get this. He or she will tell you, okay, this is 3,000 naira. It's okay, please, can I get a picture or a video concerning it? You know, people love seeing, things being real. Then definitely he or she wants to sell. They will give you all these things, then they'll save it. Immediately you save it, you use it, post it on your WhatsApp status. You can also go to Facebook Marketplace. I made a video, don't need to run an ad, post it there. Before you know what's happening, you can also sell on Gigi. If you want me to make a detailed video on how you can sell on Gigi, just make sure you write on the comment section. I'm going to make that video on how you can sell on Gigi. And selling on Gigi is very swift, it's very easy without stress, and you don't need to pay a dime. It's free. How you can sell on Facebook, I already have the video, go watch it there. How to sell on Facebook for free. So you just post it there. People see you and call you, hello, please, I need this shoe, I need this bag, can I get it? The beautiful thing, you say yes, you can get it to the location. They will tell you, give you that information, they pay. What next do? You chat up the person you collected the video or the listing. Since the person is same location with you, you say, I want to buy this bag. Imagine you've added your own profit. You're not using any capital. You collect it. Once you collect it, the next thing you do, you deliver to the person, and your cool cash is ready with you. Just imagine you doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. You have your own capital to start up any business of your choice. But you see, without capital, without money at hand, you can do this business and still make cool cash. So if you've not reasoned or think about all these things, please think about drop shipping. Think about all this, because think about how to start a YouTube channel, think about how to search that product. There's so many things to do without capital. The other ones will blow your mind. So don't go anywhere. If you've not liked this video, don't forget to like this video.